Hello guys, we use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A10S. Start unpacking. This version 2GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Okay, look completion, documentary, device in the blue color. In completion, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. And this key for SIM slot. All completions, it's all. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera, fingerprint scanner and LED. On the front side 6.2-inch display, front camera and talk speaker. On the right side power key, volume case and slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key. Downside micro USB port, headphone jack, speaker and microphone. Upside without controls. Okay, turn on device. Display PLS, resolution HD, Android 9, open settings, look. Android version. Oops. About phone. Android 9, 1E 1.1. Okay, close this and open synthetical test, Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. CPU MediaTek Helio P22, GPU PowerVia G8320. This is octa-core processor 4+4. Helio P22 this octa-core processor 4+4, 2 GHz and 1.5 GHz 4+4 cores. Okay, and look ranking. Ranking. Compare with Honor 8X. Close this and open the modded game PUBG Mobile. Look how PUBG Mobile works on the device. Let's see gameplay. Game load. Okay. Load on lag. Load on low graphic. And works good. Low graphic, but we can play in this game. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Main camera 310 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.